Hey y'all, it's me, it's your girl Haitian Kris, and today I'm coming at you with another video to help you with your personal finances. Today's video is going to be about starting or rebuilding credit using a secured credit card. And some of you all may be wondering, what is a secured credit card? A secured credit card requires an initial deposit up front in exchange for your credit limit. Here's some quick tips for you. Number 1. With most banks and credit card companies, your deposit will be equivalent to your credit limit. In other words, when I applied for my initial secured credit card with my local credit union, I had $500 in cash. I knew that I could not charge or spend more than $500 on that particular card. My limit was set at $500 because that's what I provided up front when I applied for that particular card. Number 2. I do recommend setting a portion of each paycheck each time that you get paid until you reach up to your particular credit limit that you would like. For example, I did $500. You do not have to do $500. You may decide you only want to do $200. Or you may decide you want something higher, $1,000. It just depends on what you're comfortable with and what the institution that you're going with offers. Number 3, payments must be made on time, period. Number 4, your payment history will be reported to the 3 major credit bureaus. That's why I said your payments must be made on time. So after a series of on-time payments for X amount of months, and the amount of months varies based on the institution that you go with, your credit worthiness will be reevaluated to determine if you qualify for a higher credit limit on that particular secured credit card, or if you advance to what's called the non-secured credit card, which is what a lot of people use. Now, if you have more questions about what a secured credit card is, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe. Once again, it's your girl, Haitian Kris. Have a good day.